everybody, I'm Miranda from the Breeder's Cupboard. Today I want to go over some of the basic setup and features of the Pet Brooder 90 we carry here at the Breeder's Cupboard. So the basic power on, and right here we've got the temperature and the humidity. It's in Celsius, but if you switch, you can switch it to Fahrenheit down there. To switch the temperature, and then you press OK to set it. Humidity, same thing, and OK to set it. And then we have over here the oxygen and nebulizer port. So you remove the cover, pop that open, and then your machine comes with two options here. There's the nebulizer attachment, and that would allow you to hook a nebulizer up here and the oxygen here. Our brooders come with this little oxygen port. That way you're hooking up your oxygen and your nebulizer at the same time. If you're just using oxygen, which most of us are, you can remove that, sorry, and just put this piece in, put your lid on, and hook up your oxygen like that. And then you're just going to take your tubing to your oxygen concentrator. And that way you've got a good solid source. Something to note when you are using either the nebulizer or the oxygen, this fan here is where it's going to circulate. So you're going to always want to make sure that your nebulizer option, so this button here, this is showing that it's on. And now the fan is engaged inside the unit and it's blowing and circulating the air. If you're not using a nebulizer or oxygen, push it off, nebulizer off. So that shows you that. And then for the humidity, they come with a cord. You have this panel on the back of the machine. This cord fits right onto there nicely. And then the end of your cord is going to go into your water container. Now, Rcom sells a canister for the water, but you could use any water source as long as it's distilled water. And you want to make sure that the water container is below this line so that it is probably sitting on the ground is usually the best option. A couple other things. They have these nice trays that pull out for easy cleaning. We are now selling little pieces of vet bed that fit in there nicely to keep your puppies cozy. The door shuts nice. You can see your babies. I think it's a great option for somebody that wants to have an ICU unit on hand. Well, thank you all for joining us today. We're always here to answer any questions you might have about the Pet Brooder 90 or the Pet Brooder 60.